Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P30 Pro, and today I will show you how to take a couple different ways a screenshot on this device. So we'll start off by the one that is on HUAWEI primarily, and it's the knuckle gesture. And what you will do is just tap with your knuckle twice on the screen, and hopefully you can manage to get it well, like so. Now it took a couple tries, I don't know why, but that's how you do it. Then another way that you can do it is by holding power button and volume down together, and not like that, together. Okay, and as you can see, it has been taken. And another way, and then last way, is basically through pulling down the notifications, and you can see this little icon right here, screenshot. So just tap on it, it takes a screenshot, and yeah, now all these screenshots can be found in the gallery, as you can see, from the first one with the knuckle, then a fail, and now this thing. So yeah, now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.